Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make BMW M3 GTR with paper. Begin by preparing A4 sheets, precise templates, and basic tools so cuts are accurate. Fold main chassis panels first, then assemble subframes with tabs and glue. Use a ruler for crisp creases and small clamps or clips while glue dries. Keep pieces numbered and organized to match the template sequence for a smooth build experience. Start with the chassis to establish track width and length, aligning front and rear mounts carefully. Reinforce key stress points with layered paper or thin card for rigidity. Build and test fit the interior tub and wheel wells before committing to final glue. Attach side sills and roof panels in sequence, checking that door and hood gaps remain even. Patience and dry fits prevent misalignments and improve the final appearance. If you're enjoying this paper build tutorial, please subscribe and like for more craft guides. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your ride smelling great while you work on models. It's a light, long-lasting scent that pairs perfectly with hobby time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Crafting realistic wheels and details brings the M3 GTR to life, so focus on symmetry and weight balance. Use stacked discs for tire depth and thicker hubs for stability, then glue axles into reinforced mounts. For aero parts, score and bend thin card to keep edges sharp. Prime the model lightly and apply thin paint coats, finishing with decals or hand-painted stripes for authentic race livery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.